On Saturday, March 29th, 2025, I drove across the Karns Crossing Bridge one last time. The bridge will be closing on Monday, March 31st, 2025. A lot of Butlerites call it the Jefferson Street Bridge. In fact, the street I am driving up in this video is East Jefferson Street. And the street is probably named after our third president, Thomas Jefferson. The surrounding streets in this neighborhood is known as Institute Hill. Institute Hill Elementary School once sat at the corner of Eau Claire and First Street. The school closed its doors in 1980. Today, the building serves as Specialty Outreach Center. Wood frame homes line East Jefferson Street. These homes were built in the early part of the 20th century. Coming up is the traffic signal for the hospital. You make a left and it takes you up to the parking lot. That was put in the year 2009. As I descend the hill, I am approaching the Karns Crossing Bridge. The road to the left is Dellwood Road, and that takes you up behind Bon Air Plaza. Be sure to check out my video on North Butler. Here I go, over the bridge. This unique bridge opened to traffic in 1937. I have been traveling over this bridge for almost 48 years. Over the past 4 decades, I have probably been across that bridge thousands of times. My bus would cross that bridge whenever I was in grades 7 through 12. This traffic light was not always here. Prior to 2004, there was no traffic signal. Before the light was installed, there were numerous accidents and many close calls. I was always white-knuckle driving through there before the light. Back in the day, you would enter 422 westbound from Route 38. Before the traffic signal, you would make a right onto Route 38 and then a quick left onto the on-ramp to get onto 422 westbound. I am heading into Butler via Jefferson Street. The bridge I'm about to go under carries Route 422 traffic over Jefferson Street. According to the website historicbridges.org, this bridge is unusual for it has 2 truss spans. However, they are separated by some approach spans. So be sure to stick around as I make my way across the bridge. On March 31st, 2025, this bridge will be closed for good. They are going to replace it with a new bridge, and it is expected to take 3 years, so it should be reopened to traffic by 2028. And you can see the equipment is ready to go first thing Monday morning. I'm going to do something I never attempted before. I'm going to walk across this bridge. And I've been coming over this bridge ever since I was a baby. I always remembered being in my mom's red Grand Prix. She has 77 Grand Prix. I remember we came to this bridge. I always thought of the TV show Taxi, because this bridge reminded me in the theme song of the show Taxi. I would play the song for you, but I don't want to get a copyright strike. Just look it up on YouTube. And right now we're crossing into Summit Township. You can see the railroad yard. I can't believe it's going to take them 3 years to do this. I remember whenever they did the bridge in 1984 and 85. That was a huge undertaking. I also remember before they put the slide up, they redid this intersection in 2004. Now I also remember in 1993, up on the hill straight ahead, they had a sign that says Big Butler Fair. Well, at night somebody changed it to Big Fart. This was summer of '93. Too bad I didn't have my camera back then. Beautiful day, 71 degrees, cloudy skies. This is perfect weather. I can get used to this. Looking at North Butler. Oh, be sure to check out my video on North Butler. To make it easy for you, that I will go ahead and put it at the end of the video. That way you don't have to search. I'm gonna miss this old bridge. I really am. All my life, that's all I've known. I love these old bridges because they have so much character. The new ones are just plain and dull. That's my opinion. They have no character, and they don't build them like they used to. Now we're crossing back over into Butler Township. So this bridge spans both Butler and Summit Townships. And I believe they want to make this 4 lanes. I don't know how that's going to go over. I could just see people trying to merge as they get up the hill.